Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Here we go with lesson 18, where we're introducing our D note. It says first and fourth, but it's not actually fourth. It's going to be out a little further. A little bit of what we would call a -4 or a flat 4. So here's number 1. 1, 2, 3. And now moving on to lesson 18, number 2, we're counting only to threes. We have a crescendo getting louder, decrescendo getting softer, and we're counting only to 3, but the key signature remains the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I'll try that one more time, doing the same thing. And on to number 3. We're in the key of F now, so our E's are going to be in second position instead of the flat E's. And moving on, Etude in the key of F. A lot of staccato notes in this. Staccato, slurs, switches back and forth. Alright, so we are looking at Song of the Highlands, numbers 5 and 6 as a duet, on lesson 18 of the John Kenyon book. And you might recognize the Song of Highlands also as Bluebells of Scotland. Here's number 6, the duet part of Song of the Highlands. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.